Hi everyone, welcome to the Marty Sauce YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to use our platform to build a website for your soul food restaurants. Now, if you've randomly just stumbled across this video and you're unfamiliar with Marty Sauce is the easiest way to launch a one-page website. You can literally create a one-page website in less than a minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. You don't even have to put your credit card details in like most other online services. So let's get cracking building a website for our soul food restaurants. When you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market over here. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles, as you can see. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to search for my market, soul food restaurant, and there we go. Okay, let's tell Marty Sauce a few basic details about our soul food restaurant so it can generate a one-page website for us. Let's go ahead and put in our name as well as our city and our region. It doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the Marty Sauce service. We have happy customers from all around the globe. Let's leave the type of business as a restaurant and click on continue. Great, let's talk Marty Sauce how our customers can get in touch with us. I'm now going to put in my phone number as well as my email address, and I'm going to move along and click on continue. Okay, where is our soul food restaurant located? Let's put in our street address as well as our postal code and click continue. Okay, let's get our hours set up. What time do we open on a Monday? Assuming we only open for lunch and dinner at Mars Soul Food Restaurants, I'm going to say we open at 11 a.m. and we close at 9 p.m. We also open on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and a Sunday. We open 7 days a week. Let's click continue and let's do a quick review. Make sure everything's in order. Everything looks pretty good to me. I'm now going to click on next and let Marty Sauce work its magic. And there you have it. It's literally generated a one-page website for me. And let's take a closer look at it. Awesome. Look at that. That looks so tasty. Okay, so I'm now going to take a close look at it. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you, as you can see, and we've pre-selected all the images. They're all very high quality and very delicious looking. But the great thing about it is you can make amendments if you want to change the content a little bit to suit your business. You have your own images of your delicious soul food meals. You can change them, and it's super simple. You don't need to know any coding. You don't need to be a web developer. You don't need to hire a web developer. You don't need to be super tech savvy either. It's super simple, and I'm going to be walking you through the process from the top to the bottom so you can have a look and feel of how easy it is to make those amendments. So I'm now going to click to update section at the top and make sure I click on show email on site. So my email address is displayed in the top right hand corner next to my phone number, which is click to call, by the way, so my customers can easily get in touch with me. I'm now going to save my location and head to update social links. Over here, you can pop in your Instagram page and your other social media platforms. Feel free to give us a follow and let us know how you are enjoying this Marty Sauce service. The icons will be displayed here in the top right hand corner next to the email address. So click on it and be taken directly to your social media accounts to give you a follow and see what your soul food restaurants is up to and all the delicious meals you're making. Let's click save, make sure that's all saved, and close and move along. Now the address as well, your physical location, when your customers click on that, it will directly take you to Google Maps to get directions to your soul food restaurants. On to the next section. I'm now going to hit to update logo. If you don't have a logo yet because you're in the startup process of your soul food restaurant, that is completely okay. Mighty Sites will literally just display your name here and it still looks really professional. I do recommend if you don't have a logo that you check out canva.com. There are some free options on there that look really great. But I have a logo, so I'm going to browse from my device and I'm going to upload it. Awesome. So my logo is now uploaded. I'm now going to save it and look at that. You can customize it. You can make it bigger and smaller. I really like it that size, so I'm leaving it as is. Save the logo. Let's move on. Now, perhaps the colors used throughout your Mighty Sites page that we have pre-selected for you is actually a pretty neutral color, but maybe the signage throughout your soul food restaurants and on your business cards and all your logos and stuff like that is a completely different color. That's completely okay. You don't need to know color coding. All you need to do is click on the paint bucket over here and go through the various different color options available to you. So I'm thinking more of like a new, maybe let's have a look what other great options there are for my soul food restaurants. I do want something that like stands out. Actually, really like that one, but maybe something slightly different. Let's check that one out. Okay, so I really like this one, so I'm going to save that one. I think it goes well with my branding. And now I'm going to move on to the next section. Now, over here again, as I said, we've pre-selected the images for you. They're all really high quality, as you can see, and we've pre-written all the content for you. Button you can amend. It's super simple. All you need to do is click on update section and hit to update image to change that image to suit your needs. Now, if you do have your own images, feel free to browse from your device and upload them. Otherwise, search the photo library. There are hundreds of free images to choose from, but you do need to be a little bit creative. I've noticed when using the search engine for images for the free royalty free images, it will automatically search for soul food restaurants, but you do need to play around with the terms a little bit. So I'm going to search for fried chicken. I've got a really great image there already, but I just want to show you exactly how easy it is to make those changes. Okay, let's put in chicken and see what comes up. Okay, we don't want an actual chicken. Let's put in chicken meal and just see. Like I said, you do need to play around a bit with the different terms that you're searching for. If you don't have your own images, that is, then feel free to upload those. Okay, so these look really tasty. I'm now going to select this one, select my photo, and save my image selection. And look at that, that looks stunning. Let's head to update content over here. You can change the title and subtitle to suit your needs. So the button, perhaps you don't offer online ordering system, or maybe you don't offer um, anything like that, like you don't have a third party taking online orders for you. For this one, I'm just going to say view our menu because I want our customers to check out our menu as soon as they come to our website. So I'm going to hit to choose link. You can link to another website, so perhaps you have that online third party for online orders. Otherwise, you can link to an action like click to call, directions, click to email. But for this, I'm going to upload a PDF file. I'm going to upload my Marty menu so customers can see my different soul food options before they even come to the restaurant and make their decision. So when they sit down, they can order their food already. Like most people I know, I do that all the time. I like to see what I want to order before I even get to the restaurants. So I'm now going to confirm that, save the content, and close. So when my customers click on that button that's now been updated, it will automatically take them to my menu. Over here, if you need to make amendments to those hours and that address, go ahead and update section. Onto the next section over here, another great spot for a high quality image. Go ahead and upload one of your own delicious meals or the setting of your restaurant perhaps. Otherwise, choose one from that photo library. Get creative with the terms you are searching for. Over here, again, another great spot. It's pre-written content. We wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a one-page website for your soul food restaurants. Button can link to various places, so click on update section and make those amendments. We've now made our way into the batter section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your soul food restaurant came to be. Do you have recipes passed down from generation to generation? Do you offer takeout and dine-in options? Put as much details here about your soul food restaurant. Your customers would love to know what you are offering and how your business came to be. Another great spot for a high quality image, but I think this one's pretty suitable, so I'm leaving it as is. It's making me really hungry. And look at that. Over here, if you need to make any more amendments to that location or the phone number, go ahead and do so. If you have a custom domain for your soul food restaurant, go ahead and click on connect your domain here. If you don't have a domain yet, you can use MultiSite's new feature and actually purchase your custom domain through MultiSite. It's that convenient. We wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a one page website for your restaurants. And we understand with a professional website comes a custom domain. So if you don't have your domain yet, you can purchase your domain through MultiSite by clicking on connect your domain. If you're struggling to connect your domain, there is a YouTube tutorial available with a step-by-step guide, as well as a blog post over at www.multisites.com. Over here, head to the blog. There's also some great small business marketing tips. So look at that. I've literally gone through my websites for my soul food restaurants in less than 10 minutes, updated each section. It all looks really professional. It was such a breeze to edit. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any features you'd like to see in future, any suggestions, comment below. We'd love to hear your feedback. I'm really wishing you and your restaurant mighty success.